Hi there, welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make the ultimate homemade chicken noodle soup. Get ready for some soul-warming goodness. Let's start by heating up a large pot on medium heat and adding some olive oil. Once it's hot, toss in some diced onions, celery, and carrots. Sauté them until they're tender and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Next, it's time to add our star ingredient, chicken. We're using boneless, skinless chicken breasts, but you can use any part you prefer. Cook the chicken until it's no longer pink inside, and then remove it from the pot to cool. In the meantime, pour in some chicken broth and season it with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. We love adding a bay leaf for some extra flavor. Bring the broth to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. While the broth is simmering, shred the cooked chicken into bite-sized pieces. Once it's all shredded, add it back to the pot. Now, it's time to add the noodles. We prefer using wide egg noodles, but you can use any type you like. Cook them in a separate pot according to the package instructions, then drain them and add them to the soup. Let the soup simmer for another 10 minutes so that the flavors can meld together. The aroma filling your kitchen right now is simply incredible. Finally, it's time to serve up this comforting bowl of soup. Ladle it into your favorite bowls, and garnish with some fresh parsley. Just look at that delicious chicken noodle soup. It's packed with hearty ingredients and a whole lot of love. You can't beat homemade. Thanks for joining us today and learning our ultimate homemade chicken noodle soup recipe. We hope you enjoyed it and give it a try yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. See you next time.